Gong practice number 286. Today is Thursday, March 4th, 2021. Currently 8:47 a.m. for me getting my practice in. Welcome. Thank you for joining me. Another beautiful day to have a beautiful practice. Beautiful sounds coming your way in a moment. All you have to do is close your eyes, lay down. You should probably lay down first. Lie down, close your eyes. Get noise canceling headphones out. Probably should do those all in a different order so you have them ready. So I recommend lying down, eyes closed, noise canceling headphones if you have them. Turn off your cell phone, anything that may distract you. You can be awake if you want to be awake. Just don't drive a car, operate any heavy equipment. Don't do anything that you really need to focus on because you may zone out. If you want to create your own healing space, I recommend doing that. Just create a nice little sacred space. Get out your crystals, oracle cards, incense, sage, essential oils, candles, whatever it is. If you channel energy of any sort, do Reiki energy channeling, channel some Reiki. Get yourself ready to receive some sounds of love, some positive vibrations that can help shift this planet into where we need to go, and that's up. We need to go up. Up is where we need to go. Raise the vibration into the frequency of love. We could be living in a world of love if we just let ourselves do so. And it all starts with you. It all starts with me. It all starts with ourselves. We can only change ourselves. That's all we can do. We only have control over our thoughts, our words, and our actions. Nothing else we can control. You can't control anybody else as much as you think you can. You can only control yourself. And if the world around you, when you look around, if it's not what you want to see, if it's not where you want to be, then it's up to you to make the change because nobody else is going to do it. If you're not happy with your life, it's you that needs to make the change, make a decision, to determine why aren't you happy? What is it? What's the one thing that can make everything better? One thing at a time. Little things day by day. And one thing that helps me, it's made my world a world of better. Honestly, it's crazy, is the 5 principles of Reiki. Every single day I think of these things. I say them every day. Just for today I will not anger. Just for today I will not worry. Just for today I'll be grateful. Just for today I'll be kind to others, and just for today I'll focus on my work. Why do those things how they change my life? I'll tell you, is because I realize it's just for today. All we have is today. There is no tomorrow guaranteed. There's no guarantee of a tomorrow. There could be a tomorrow, but a tomorrow really never comes. When you go to sleep at night, you wake up, it's now today, right? So all we have is today, and yesterday is gone. You can't go back in the past and make any changes. You can learn from the things you've done. You can vow not to make the same mistakes. You can learn from other people what they have done. But know that your today is based on what happened yesterday. So you want to today plant good seeds, do good deeds, so when tomorrow comes you have a better place to be than you were today. And by taking the moment to realize, today I'm not getting angry, I'm not going to worry, I'm going to be grateful, I'll be kind to others, I'm going to focus on my work. When you realize that being grateful for the small things, the little things. Do you have a roof over your head? Did you have water to drink? Do you have food to eat? Do you have those 3 basic things? Water, food, and shelter. You're doing pretty well if you have those 3 things. If you're watching this video, you're doing pretty well because you have some device, some means to watch this video. There's tons of people out there that don't have means to watch this video. So you got to look at that, not to compare yourself with other people, and sometimes you have to look at your circumstances and realize that you have a blessed life, that everything is really beautiful, and that the difficulties in your life they all start up in the mind. They start up with the mind, with programming of trying to think that you have to do what you are told you have to do because you're just living somebody else's dream, somebody else's fear, somebody else's reality. But take control of your own life with your thoughts, your words, and your actions, and your world can become beautiful. Anyway, that's what I believe. So I'm going to start playing here in a moment. Every day, play the gong, create positive sounds. Raising the vibration of the planet, being a conduit for the universe, just to provide sounds through, just being a conduit of love, because that's all I want from me, is love coming from me. No negative ripples, no negative anything. Even no is a negative word, I guess, or it's just the absence of something, so it's not really, that could be considered not negative. Some would say it's negative if you look at it from yes being a positive word. But either way, just good coming from me. Just a ripple of good. That's what we are. We create the waves around us. So if your world is full of chaos, if your life is chaotic, if all these things are going on, think about your world, think about your thoughts, think about things that are going on. But sometimes too, got to remind myself, because I was reminded yesterday, that chaos is beautiful. It can be beautiful when you look for the beauty in all of it, as yesterday was brought to my attention when yoga got canceled because the car was broken down. And teacher said, "Thank you for being so flexible during all my chaos." And I'm like, yeah, I appreciate being more physically flexible. And it's a great opportunity for me to realize how far I've come because I simply just accept things as they are. I don't need to get upset. I'm not going to anger. I'm not going to get worried. I'm not going to get frustrated because yoga got canceled. It is what it is. I just move on with my day. Keep doing something else. And so it's always lessons in life. There's always opportunities. The universe is always providing different ways to see things and do things and hear things, and you just got to pay attention to what's out there. And so now I'm going to start playing some sounds. So you just need to focus on your breath. Is all you need to do is close your eyes. Like I said, lie down and focus on your breath. Inhale through your nose. Exhale out of your mouth. Or in through your nose, out of your nose, or in through your mouth, out of your mouth, or in through your mouth, out of your nose. However you want to breathe, you can breathe. Just focus on your breath. Make sure you're focused on your breath. As your mind starts wandering, come back to your breath. Notice what you notice. Don't take time to get lost in it. Just come back to your breath. And when you wake up, you can journal about it. There may be quiet times during my play. Don't think, oh, am I supposed to wake up right now? Don't even worry about it. I'll wake you up when it's done. You'll know when it's done because I'll say, wake up. Something like that, but not really. I'll do it more gentle than that because you're coming out of a nice different state of relaxation, and I want to bring that journey to you. So here I go. So all you need to do is, like I said, focus on your breath, 30 minutes of sound, turn off anything else that's going to distract you, be present with the sounds. If you feel the need to sneeze, cough, laugh, cry, your body moves around, itches, twitches, whatever, just accept all of it. It's just the sounds moving through you. Feel things, tingling sensations, or maybe like something's crawling on you. Probably just the sounds, unless you got bugs in your house where you're listening, then it could be a bug. But if it is a bug, just realize it's not going to hurt you unless it's a venomous bug, and then I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, honestly, but hopefully you're in a spot where you don't have a bunch of creatures crawling on you, so you can just be present and listen to the sounds. And so I'll start playing. I'll wake up when it's done. Thank you for being here. I love you. I appreciate it. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. You'll see me in 30 quick minutes. Thank you. Slowly bring your attention back to yourself. Nice deep breath in through your nose. Wiggling your fingers and toes, taking all the time that you need to come back into your body. If you feel really out of it, just focus on your fingers and toes and you'll come back in soon enough. I promise you that. Just breathe. How do you feel? Take a moment to appreciate, grateful for being one with the sounds, being present. A whole lot of stuff just shifted around inside you. That energy was moving. I feel it inside me. I felt great. I feel great. I feel amazing. I'm ready to tackle the day, the rest of the things that are coming. All going to be glorious because today is beautiful and I feel amazing, as I always do. Always feel amazing. I mean to say always, I guess at times I don't feel amazing. Sometimes I don't feel the greatest, and I just feel amazing now, I guess. Right? Can't say always, because that wouldn't be true. There's days I'm down, for sure. There's days that things don't go the way I want them to, but those are days that just help remember how great things are. Sometimes it's good to dabble in the darkness to remember how far you've come. Remember the days that you dive into the things that you used to do, your old self. Maybe eat a bunch of junk food one day. That's what I did a couple weeks ago. I ate a bunch of stuff I usually don't eat. Like 3 days I just was mowing down on all this food, and then I felt awful. Absolutely awful. And then 2 days later, it was just like, oh, that's who I used to be. That's how I used to always feel. I used to always feel that way. Slow, lethargic stuff, bloated, all these things. Because I wasn't taking care of myself. And sometimes it's good to go back to where you came from, to remember how far you've come, to appreciate, oh yeah, I don't want to be like that anymore. And it's changed, as I was saying before you went down to this journey. It all starts with your thoughts, your words, and your actions. You got to be in control of everything. Thoughts, words, and actions, all you can control, and you learn to control those, and you can navigate this life and make it beautiful. Hopefully your journey was good. If you want to comment below or share your experience, feel free to do so. If nothing else, just journal it for yourself. Hopefully you come back and listen to more. This is video 286. There's 285 other ones before this one, and however many more, 79 more to go. 79 more to go. And then I'm at 365. So thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being part of all of this. I do appreciate it. Make sure you drink plenty of water. Stay hydrated. I recommend Kangen 9.5 water by Enagic. If you want to get one of those machines and know more about it, just go ahead and comment below, and I'll put you in contact with somebody that can help you get one, help you figure it all out, because it will change your life. It's changed my life. I never get sick. I mean, right now my nose might sound a little stuffy, but it's a temperature change, honestly. It's 65 degrees, which isn't very cold, but it's cold for Hawaii. Usually it's 75 degrees this time of the day, but this winter time, and it's just up on the mountain, so that's what happens. But I'm not complaining at all. Wear a sweatshirt, whatever, it's life. But don't get sick. Alkaline water, amazing. Decalcification of your pineal gland, and manifest your life. Make magic things happen. Drink some magic water. Laugh more, love more, smile more. Have a beautiful day, beautiful now, beautiful everything. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. You're appreciated. You matter. If you haven't seen the video, Be Love with April Dodonna, go ahead and check that out. It's up there somewhere on this YouTube channel. But it's a great story about my sister, just sharing love, and it's taken off like crazy. You can actually Google her name. She's April Dodonna, Didonna, and see what comes up. Just spreading love, changing the world by her working on herself and filling her cup and letting her love overflow to other people. And it's just a beautiful thing to see, and that's what your life can be as well. It's just purely beautiful if you just change your thoughts, change your words, change your actions, put love behind everything, love behind everything, love behind your thoughts, love behind your words, love behind your actions. What happens if you get an evil thought, you get a wicked thought, and realize that's not the thought I want to have anymore? I'm going to let that thought go, and I'm going to focus on love. Don't focus on the darkness, focus on love. Focus on the light. I love you. Thank you very much again. Laugh more, love more, smile more. Have a beautiful now.